Hello everyone, we are going to see about JSON and HTTP. JSON JavaScript Object Notation is the lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. It is often used to transmit data between a server and web application, especially in the context of AJAX request. In AngularJS, HTTP service is used to make HTTP requests to fetch data from a server or send data to the server. It provides methods for making various types of HTTP requests such as get, post, put, delete, etc. Here's a brief overview of how JSON and HTTP are used in AngularJS. JSON is a represent structured data in a readable and concise format. It consists of key value pairs and support nested objects and arrays. AngularJS provides built-in support for working with JSON data HTTP services. AngularJS provides the HTTP service, which is a wrapper around the XML HTTP request object to make HTTP requests. It allows you to send asynchronous HTTP request to the server and handle the response using promises. Now I am going to show you the example how you can use JSON and HTTP in an AngularJS application to fetch data from a server. First I am going to create a div. I am going to create another list with list items. User dot I am going to use ng repeat user in users. Next I am going to create a script. I am going to define an AngularJS module. Next I am going to define a controller. Now I am going to make an HTTP GET request to fetch JSON data from a server. Dot then On success, assign the response data to the scope variable. Scope dot users equal to response dot data. Function error if error occurs, we want to console log error. If we save this, if I run this, see we are getting name and then email. Like this, we are using JSON and HTTP. We defined an AngularJS module called myApp. Inside the module, we defined a controller called myCTRL. In the controller, we have an HTTP.get method to make an HTTP GET request to the JSON placeholder API, a fake online REST API for testing and prototyping. This API returns a list of users in JSON format. We use the .then method to handle the responsive asynchronously on success. We assign the response data to a scope.user variable when it is, which is then used in the view to display the list of users. If an error occurs during the HTTP request, we log the error message to the console. In this example, we demonstrate how to use JSON and the HTTP service in AngularJS to fetch and display data from a server asynchronously. Thank you.